Well, we've decided that we're going to pull the SR out. So I'll give you a little bit of an update. Pretty much there was a bit of oil in cylinder 4. Pretty sure that one of the valve stem seals got pinched. Yeah, we've got to pull the head off, so we thought, oh, why not just pull the SR out and redo the whole engine bay and, I don't know, try and make it look a bit more professional, I guess. This is what it looks like now. It probably won't look very different afterwards, but I just want to clean up a whole lot of things. I try and tidy up this and bog all those holes and fix the SR, obviously. So I'm just going to go ahead and start stripping it and, I don't know, see how we go. Bit of ass. So.
Yeah, that was just push lock, mate. It's not supposed to come off.
No, it's not a push lock.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Then why was it hard to get off?
We've skipped ahead of time and the SR's back in. Probably the most reliable it'll ever be.
Is that a short motor?
Oh, there's a cockatoo in the garage.
Get the f*** out.
So this is pretty much where we're up to. The SR is out. I've taken the intake and exhaust off. We've found some weird goopy stuff in the engine. It's really sticky. In the next video, I'll be continuing to strip the engine bay to pretty much nothing, hopefully. I want to bog up all the holes and cut out any weird plates like this. That's just not even, that doesn't even have a use. So yeah, make sure you follow the channel because this will be the next video.